Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video. If you have any questions or need a way to contact me about the pickup truck, you will find that information in the comment section of this video. Today what we have here is a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado, short bed, short cab, two-wheel drive, 5.3 V8. As you guys know, if you're looking at this video, it is very difficult to come by these trucks these days, especially in this condition. This truck has been well maintained, it is ready to drive, and it needs absolutely nothing but a driver. It has what I consider very low miles, 76,000 and a couple miles, so it just flipped over to 76,000 miles. It is optioned very nicely with power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, 2 fobs, has a rear window defogger. It has the chrome package, factory wheel well liners in the rear. It has 20-inch LTZ wheels with Continental tires with probably 80% tread. It has the factory fog lights on the front, and it is truly in exceptional condition. It is very clean, both inside and out. And I won't call it flawless, but I do sincerely believe that you will have a hard time finding one cleaner than this and in this nice of condition. I'll take you around the truck and then we'll open it up and look on the inside. The inside is par for the course, just like the outside. It is extremely clean on the inside. You'll see the power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors. It's got a leather wrapped steering wheel. It has the 60/40 split bench. It has factory GM carpet. It also has factory GM, what they call Weatherguard mats on the inside. This is where you spend the majority of your time, so it is truly nice to have one that is super clean. And again, I won't call it flawless on the inside, but it is extremely clean. It is very nice, very nice. It even smells great on the inside. It almost smells new, so to speak. It's got the factory lift-up console, jump seat, lifts up. It has a factory, or not a factory, but a tonneau cover on the rear, what I meant to say, and then a factory GM. Let's see here, get the tailgate down. Factory GM bedliner on the inside to lift the tonneau. It's a roll-up tonneau. You just grab this strap, pull it, and then roll it up, and it snaps in the front, or wraps in the front, so you have full access to the bed. Very nice chrome all the way around. Get down the side. The paint has gone through a very extensive paint correction process. I'm not going to say the paint is perfect on it, but it is extremely nice, just like I've said about the other parts of the truck. It is very nice. It shines very well. It has a couple pings, but really you're going to be hard pressed to find them. Continental tires, very nice. The rims are nice looking rims, but they do have some flaws. You'll see one of the flaws here on the rim, a little rub spot. Some of them do have a little curb rash. Oh, let me go back. You do have factory wheel well liners in the back. GM wheel well liners. I'll open this door for you. It does have chrome caps, chrome handles. Again, the word of the day is clean. I mean, this thing is nice. Carpet, mats. It does have all the factory jack equipment behind the seat. Glove box. It does also have factory manuals and window sticker. And let me get down here on this rim, see if this one has curb rash on it. This one has very, very little, but it still does have it. It's got the color-coded top bumper, factory fogs. I'll go around here and pop the engine compartment hood here. Same goes for underneath the hood. Super clean. It has had a lot of recent maintenance done to it. This is my personal vehicle. It's had new plugs, wires, all 3 new belts, fresh oil change, air filter, cabin air filter. It has also had the DOD tuned out of it, so there is no more 4-cylinder activation. It is all 8-cylinder all the time. These trucks, or all the GM vehicles of this era, have had trouble with the lifters, so I find it helpful to tune the DOD out to prevent that, to help prevent it. You'll see it's got 76,038 miles on it. Yep. Of course, there's no lights on in the dash. It runs flawlessly. I would drive it anywhere. I would drive it across country tomorrow if that's what you wanted to do. Cruise control. It also, what I have done is install a, motor is nice and quiet. I've installed what they call a superior transmission. Super cool bypass valve in the transmission. What it does is lower the temperatures of the transmission, so it extends the longevity of the transmission. When I did that, I also dropped the pan, replaced the filter, gasket, and refilled with 6 quarts of GM Mercron fluid. So the transmission has been serviced. All in all, it's just a great pickup truck. Like I said earlier, you're going to be hard pressed to find one any cleaner than this truck. So if this is what you're looking for, and you're looking for one that's been well kept and well maintained, this is it. It also has been lowered. I forgot to mention that. It's been lowered 2 inches in the front and 4 inches in the rear. Now let me repeat this loud and clear. It has not been C-notched in the rear. It has not been C-notched. It's been lowered in the front with 2-inch drop spindles from Ride Tech. In the rear, you've got a 2-inch drop spring from McGaughey's. You've got a 2-inch drop shackle from McGaughey's, and also McGaughey's lowering shocks in the rear. So it rides very nicely. I just like the way it looks a little bit lowered. The truck sits super high from the factory, but I don't like them slammed. I just like to give them just a little bit of stance. I think it really adds to the truck. Of course, the truck has no rust repair ever done to it. It's super clean. If you check the links in my ad, you will also see a link to a bunch of additional pictures which show the underside of the truck. Thanks again for looking. Whoever ends up with this truck will have an extremely nice, reliable pickup truck. It does have the 5.3 V8 with the 6L80 automatic, 6-speed automatic. Right, cut it off. Step back out real quick. Thanks again for looking. Again, please like and subscribe my video and subscribe to my channel. I occasionally sell a couple vehicles or some of these trucks. I really enjoy these pickup trucks. Again, thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have a great day.